All parties Hurriyat conference has reiterated the Kashmiris' demand for implementing the UN resolutions to find out the long pending solution to the Kashmir dispute through right to self-determination. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that despite the massive troop deployment and the state machinery, the Bharatiya Janata Party's humiliating defeat in the sham elections in occupied Kashmir is a clear indication that Kashmiris reject India's occupation and are not ready to compromise on their right to self-determination. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has expressed concern over India's supply of the weapons to Israel, stating that it would promote hate in the Middle East and warned that such actions could ultimately destroy India. Farooq Abdullah, in a media interview in Srinagar, if it's true India is supplying weapons to Israel, it's very sad. Authority of the India installed Lieutenant Governor of occupied Kashmir to nominate 5 members to the territory's assembly has drawn strong criticism, with political and the legal experts questioning. PDP leader Iltija Mufti criticized the nomination said to increase the assembly's strength to 95 as a brazen pre-result rigging. Climate activist from the Ladakh Sonam Wangchuk has revealed that despite assurances from the Indian Home Ministry regarding a meeting with the leadership, no action has been taken so far. Wangchuk also revealed that he has travelled on the foot from the Leh and seeks assurance from the leadership in the Indian capital. The Indian Home Ministry assured us that a meeting with the leaders would be arranged, but nothing has happened yet. Aam Aadmi Party of the Arvind Kejriwal has defeated the BJP in the Doda has got some solace as it opens its account in occupied Kashmir for the first time. Party's Mehraj Malik won the Doda seat in the Jammu region, defeating his rival Gajay Singh Rana of the BJP, the Indian ruling party, by a margin of 4,470 votes.